The next song we're gonna react to is Beabadoobee, right? Um, I've never, well, I have listened to her. I've only listened to her once. I was gonna say I've never listened to her besides this one song, and everyone has heard this song.
Don't stay awake for too long. Don't go to bed. I'll make a cup of coffee for your head.
Yeah, bro, I know you heard it a million times on TikTok, like I did. But it's a fire song though. I ain't gonna lie, bro. Like most TikTok songs are literally just TikTok songs, bro. Brain rot for memes, and that's it. But that song is actually a pretty decent like TikTok song. Like, you could actually listen to that outside of TikTok, and it's not gonna be too bad. Now, with that being said, I haven't listened to her since then. She did drop a song called Switchblade. Um, I mean, it already has 1.3 million views. So, wait, is Beabadoobee the? Hold on, let me search this up real quick. Yo, isn't she the one that was like crashing out because they were like comparing her to like YB and Youngboy or some shit? B Badu B B Funk? No, it is her. It is her, bro. It is her. What the fuck? I forgot. Bro, I'm telling you, bro. I literally haven't listened to her, so I literally completely forgot. This is the girl that everyone was saying can't sing. Like it was like something with NBA YoungBoy, and people were saying that she can't sing, and she like crashed out and shit. Like she literally was like crashing out on fans and shit. But hey, bro, let's check it out. Called Switchblade. Yo, bro, please don't tell me she went into rock and roll, bro. Please don't tell me she went into rock and roll, bro. Because how do you go from from that from that TikTok song to this in a way? Don't tell me you went into rock and roll, bro.
I'm a switchblade cutting through an open space. Need a reminder. You start to feel like a grace. Life with blinders doesn't seem to fit the pace. Do you start the fight or take the flight? Feeling upset, can I choose to phone a friend? Growing up just means to fuck everything up again. Take my switchblade, self-defense is deeply brave. Do you start the fight or take the flight? Is it wrong or right to try to either see the red? This anger can't control this fever that just
Yeah, I'm not gonna say this is a bad song. Like this is trash. I mean, obviously 1.3 million plays. People are rocking with this song, but first of all, I was not expecting that switch up from that TikTok song to that. But also at the same time, this is just not my stilo. I don't I don't ever see myself listening to this. Like, is this supposed to make you mad, angry, sad? I'm not really catching the vibe. Cause I'm trying, bro. Again, I'm trying to vibe. I'm trying to dance. I'm trying to get laid. I'm trying to get bitches, fuck bitches, get money. Like, this is not it.
takes it out of me, takes it out of me. Feeling worn thin, can I learn to trust again? Growing old just seems to break everything that we meant. Hold my light, a colors flicker, burn and fade. Do you start the fight or take the flight?
she switched, bro. Like that's the main thing, bro. Ain't no way she switched from the TikTok thing to this. That's like the main thing. I'm just surprised, bro. It's not that this is a bad song. It's literally just I'm just surprised. The last time I read her was like TikTok music to this.
Either see the witness anger can't control this fever that just takes it out of me, takes it out of me. I'm not switchblade, haven't given up the space. Need everybody waste. I can feel like the news life been gone, doesn't seem to be erased. I'm not switchblade, haven't given up the space. Need everybody waste. I can feel like the news life been gone, doesn't seem to be erased.
Yeah, no, this is not it, bro. I'm gonna lie, this is not it. I mean, if she's saying that she's gonna drop an album, I mean, if she's dropping an album on this, like this type of music, yeah, I think we're gonna skip on that album personally. That is not it.